I got this question from Daniel, and he sent it to me by email. So he writes, "This is Daniel. I've been trying to figure this out. Here's the question. It's number 13. So I wrote him back in an email, and I said, "This is a great question, but I think it's even better if you put this in Google Classroom. This way other people can see it. Maybe others also had a similar problem, or this might inspire them to do it." And so what I did is I posted it on Google Classroom so that everyone can see it. As you see, it's right here. And so what I did is I took the initiative and I basically answered the questions in the notes. You can ignore the background sounds, as maybe I'll tell you in class where I was, but for now, this is the answer. Once again, the question specifically asks, find the angle if the arc length is 9.43 centimeters and the radius is 10 centimeters. I've got those 6 formulas that we've been working on in class. I'm only going to choose 4. It's asking the angle, so I must take angle over 360. That little 0 is a symbol for angle. And then now, let's see what else I'm going to use. Find the angle if the arc length. So it's telling you the arc length, so I will take arc over circumference. This has nothing to do with area of a sector over area of a circle, so those two I can eliminate. That's my initial formula. So as I go through this, I know I'm figuring out for the angle over 360. I also don't know the arc. Oh, excuse me, I do know the arc. It's 9.43. I don't know the circumference. So I'm a little bit stuck. And I know this sounds like a 2-step problem. Double the fun, remember that? So I asked myself, can I figure out the circumference? And the answer is yes. I know the circumference, C is equal to 2 pi r, as you see a little bit lower down on my screen. And then that's my formula. I substitute, C is equal to the 2 times pi is 3.14, and r is 10. It's given, radius is 10, so I just plug that in. I substitute, and then I'll solve. The circumference is 62.8. From there, now I'm able to substitute adequately. So now I have the angle over 360 is equal to 9.43 over 62.8. And in order to solve, I'll just cross multiply. I'm looking for the angle, which is the numerator. So now I'm going to go to the denominator. I'll just plug in my calculator, 360 times 9.43 divided by 62.8, and I get an angle of 54. Just remember, angles, there's no decimal places, exceptionally, and that's how you get it. What I've done as well is I took the initiative in a section called bell work. I know that you know how to get there. I've exceptionally posted all the answers that we're working on right now, 65 to 67, 68, 69. All the answers are right here. Question number 13 appears right here. That's Daniel's questions, number 13. And there is the answer, right there in big 54. And in case anyone else is interested, all the answers are posted here just so that you can make sure you are on the right track. I hope this is helpful. We'll see you soon.